The 2026 Caterpillar D15 is redefining expectations in the heavy machinery world, combining raw power, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled operator comfort to deliver a dozer that sets new industry standards. As we take a closer look at this beast, it's clear that Caterpillar has invested heavily in innovation, design, and performance to ensure the D15 stands out in every construction site, mining operation, and large-scale earth-moving project. Starting with the heart of the D15, its newly designed powertrain is a masterpiece of modern engineering. The 2026 model features a high-efficiency CAT C15A CERT engine that delivers up to 580 horsepower, while significantly reducing fuel consumption and emissions, thanks to advanced electronic controls and an optimized combustion system. This engine not only provides consistent and reliable power, but also meets the most stringent environmental standards. Caterpillar's commitment to sustainability is evident in the D15's ability to reduce CO2 emissions without compromising performance, offering operators a machine that's both powerful and environmentally responsible. But raw power is just one aspect of what makes the D15 so impressive. The advanced transmission system, featuring the next-generation fully automatic 4-speed planetary transmission, ensures smooth shifting and optimal power delivery across varying terrains and workloads. The integration of torque converter lockup technology allows for seamless transitions, improving both fuel efficiency and overall productivity. This transmission system works in harmony with Caterpillar's intelligent power management system, which actively monitors load demands and adjusts power output in real time to ensure maximum efficiency and performance under all operating conditions. Moving to the undercarriage, Caterpillar has introduced the new heavy-duty, extended life undercarriage system on the D15. This design features patented, sealed, and lubricated track rollers, advanced carrier rollers, and reinforced track shoes, all built to withstand the most demanding job sites. This not only extends the lifespan of the undercarriage but also reduces maintenance costs and downtime, keeping the D15 working longer and more reliably in the field. The updated blade system is another highlight. The D15 offers multiple blade configurations, including the standard semi-universal blade and the advanced variable pitch angle tilt blade, allowing operators to tackle a wide range of applications with precision and ease. The blade control system utilizes the latest generation of Caterpillar's grade with 3D technology, offering real-time, high-precision grade control that dramatically reduces rework and improves efficiency. Operators can achieve perfect grading, results faster and with less effort, which translates into significant savings in time and materials. Operator comfort and safety have always been at the core of Caterpillar's design philosophy, and the D15 continues this tradition with an all-new operator station that is both luxurious and highly functional. The redesigned cab is spacious and ergonomically optimized, featuring a fully adjustable, heated, and ventilated seat, intuitive joystick controls, and a high-definition touchscreen display that provides real-time machine data and diagnostics. The cab is also equipped with Caterpillar's next-generation command technology, allowing for semi-autonomous and fully remote operation, increasing safety in hazardous environments. Noise levels inside the cab have been significantly reduced, thanks to enhanced insulation and a new suspension system, ensuring operators remain comfortable even during long shifts. Visibility from the cab has been greatly improved, with the addition of high-definition cameras providing a 360-degree view around the machine, eliminating blind spots and enhancing safety on busy job sites. The lighting system has been upgraded as well, featuring high-intensity LED work lights that provide superior illumination for nighttime or low-visibility operations. Caterpillar's commitment to safety doesn't stop at operator comfort. The D15 is equipped with an array of advanced safety features, including proximity sensors, automatic braking systems, and collision avoidance technology that works seamlessly to prevent accidents before they happen. The machine's robust rollover protection structure and reinforced cab construction provide unmatched protection in the unlikely event of an accident. The D15 also integrates Caterpillar's new remote troubleshooting and remote flash capabilities. These technologies allow service technicians to diagnose issues and update software remotely, reducing the need for on-site visits and minimizing downtime. Predictive maintenance algorithms, powered by advanced machine learning, analyze data from numerous sensors throughout the dozer to predict potential failures before they occur, allowing for proactive maintenance planning that keeps the machine operating at peak efficiency. Fuel efficiency has been a major focus for Caterpillar with the D15. The new Eco Mode optimizes engine speed and power delivery to match the task at hand, resulting in fuel savings of up to 15% compared to previous models. This not only lowers operating costs but also reduces the machine's environmental impact, making it an ideal choice for companies looking to meet sustainability goals without sacrificing productivity. In terms of versatility, the D15 excels, whether it's heavy ripping, fine grading, or precision dosing. This machine can be configured to meet a wide variety of operational needs. The optional Ripper system features enhanced hydraulic controls for precise operation, allowing operators to tackle the toughest materials with ease. Additionally, the D15's modular design makes it easy to adapt attachments and components, ensuring the machine remains a valuable asset across multiple projects and applications. Connectivity is another area where the D15 shines. The integrated CAT Product Link Elite system provides real-time data on machine location, operating hours, fuel usage, and maintenance status. This information can be accessed remotely via the VisionLink platform, enabling fleet managers to optimize operations, monitor machine health, and ensure maximum productivity across the board. The Caterpillar D15 2026 is not just a machine. It's a sophisticated tool that combines brute strength with smart technology to redefine what a bulldozer can achieve. From its powerful engine and advanced transmission system to its cutting-edge safety features and operator-centric design, the D15 is engineered to deliver unmatched performance, reliability, and efficiency. Whether you're moving massive volumes of earth on a mining site or performing delicate grading on a construction project, the D15 is built to handle the task with precision, power, and ease. Caterpillar's legacy of innovation and excellence is clearly on display with the 2026 D15, setting a new benchmark for the industry and giving operators and companies a tool they can rely on for years to come. With every detail carefully considered and every component engineered for maximum performance, the D15 is more than ready to tackle the toughest challenges and deliver outstanding results, project after project. Asterisk,